Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee out at winter camp. This is my Survival 22 that was my companion for this trip right here. This is a first generation Ruger 1022 stainless steel. I bought this the very first year that Ruger came out with a stainless steel 1022. And then that is a first generation Millet red dot. And that guy runs on a 2032 battery, and it's actually all metal. There's no plastic on that except for the caps whatsoever. And I've upgraded it over the years for these uses. I put a Butler Creek folding stock on it, and then I've upgraded the magazines to the BX25 Ruger mags. And this is a Ramline heat shield handguard on the front here, which is actually really nice for kind of like a C-clamp grip. And then I put a pretty long flash hider on there, and the reason I did that is when you're out here in the snow and stuff, sometimes a barrel can get dipped down into the snow. You can kind of prevent some of the issues with that to knock the snow and stuff out, but it's pretty compact when it's folded up. And then I just have a basic sling on there with metal hardware and a little bit of bank line through the swivel studs that are on there. And then that big button right there is what actually unfolds the stock. And if I turn around here, you can see that little piece of rubber tubing that goes on the metal part of the stock, which would give you your cheek weld. So then you don't have to have a cold piece of steel pressed up against your face when you're shooting. But this is my Survival 22 here. And then in the bottom, I had got a plug in the grip there, and I got a piece of Ranger band holding that plug in. But then I also have a fire kit in there, a small knife, and I got a spare battery for the red dot. So it's pretty much a complete compact package. Anyway, this is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys always get some information, some entertainment out of my videos here. Just wanted to do a quick one here on my Survival 22. You guys have a good one.